हाथ सापडिदियो.
As we prepare for this iconic reveal, let's give them a huge round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, please take a look towards your right corner on the stage as the magnificent Durand Cup trophies. Thank you. May I now request Major General Rohin Bawa, Youth Seva Medal, General Officer Commanding Red Horn Division, to kindly felicitate Shri Jayanto Basumatari, Honorable MP, Lok Sabha. Thank you. Now, I would request the General Officer to kindly felicitate Sri Durga Boro, the young footballer of Bodoland. Thank you. May I now request Sri Jayanto Basumatari sir to kindly felicitate Major General Rohin Bawa.
Now, I request Brigadier Akshay Kapoor, Commander Invictus Brigade, to felicitate Sri Rangara Narzari, Honorable MP, Rajya Sabha. May I also request Brigadier Akshay Kapoor to felicitate Sri Katiram Boro, Speaker, Bodoland Territorial Region Legislative Assembly. Now I would request Sri Rangara Narzari to kindly felicitate Brigadier Akshay Kapoor.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for the inaugural address. I would request Major General Rajesh Arun Moghe, Vishesh Seva Medal, General Officer Commanding Bengal Sub-Area and Vice Chairman Durand Cup Organizing Committee to kindly deliver the inaugural address on this momentous occasion of 134th Indian Oil of the Durand Cup 2025.
Srimati Nandita Gorlosa, Honorable Minister of Sports and Youth, Government of Assam. Shri U.G. Brahma, Honorable Minister of Welfare. Shri R. Nazari, Honorable Member of Rajya Sabha. Shri J. Basumatari, Honorable Member of Lok Sabha. Shri K. Boro, Honorable Speaker, BTC, Legislative Assembly. Major General Hartej Bajaj, Chief of Staff, Gajaraj Kaur. Major General Rohin Bawa, GOC, Red Horns Division, Brigadier Akshay Kapoor, Colonel Siddharth Singh, Shri Durga Boro, eminent footballer from the region. My dear sponsors from the Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Mr. Mukherjee, from the State Bank of India, from Coal India Limited, and from Sony Sports, as well as my dear friends from the press and the media, national as well as the local. Good morning to all of you. I bring you greetings from Lieutenant General R.C. Tiwari, our General Officer Commanding in Chief, Eastern Command, and the patron of Durand Cup Organizing Committee, as well as from the entire Durand Cup Organizing Committee to all the members of this beautiful region promoting football in the nation. It is a privilege to address you all today as we gather at Kokrajhar for the upcoming edition of the Durand Cup. As you've all seen in a couple of clips, Asia's oldest and the world's third oldest football tournament. That Kokrajhar is hosting the Durand Cup for the third consecutive year is a powerful testament to the passion, hospitality, and enthusiasm of this vibrant region. The extraordinary initiatives taken by the government of Assam, the BTC, and the response that we have seen here, from packed stadiums to the love shown by the sports reinforces our belief that football has truly found the pulse of the people here in the region. The Durand Cup tournament since 1888, over the past 137 years, has witnessed evolution in the Indian football, producing legends, uniting communities, igniting sporting passions across generations. In recent years, under the stewardship of the Eastern Command, the Durand Cup has experienced a remarkable growth in stature, reach, and quality. Our efforts, in close partnership with our stakeholders across the country, have ensured that the tournament retains its heritage while embracing modern professionalism. Earlier this month, on the 4th of July to be specific, in a stately event at the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Honorable President of India and the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, had unveiled the glorious silverware of the Durand Cup at the Rashtrapati Bhavan for the second year in a row. This gracious reassociation of the Supreme Commander with the Durand Cup is a reflection of the tournament's national importance and its role in promoting sport as means of unity and excellence. Kokrajhar is rapidly emerging as an exciting hub for football in the Northeast. The region's deepening connect with the game is evident in the enthusiastic crowds, the involvement of local youth, and the efforts of the local administration to promote the sport. We are especially grateful to Honorable Chief Minister of Assam for all his support and Honorable Chief Executive Member of BTR for his unflinching support as well as vision to make Kokrajhar a footballing destination to reckon with for the future. This year, for the 134th edition, 24 teams would be playing in 6 pools at Kolkata, Jamshedpur, Kokrajhar, Shillong, and Imphal, with 2 groups being located at Kolkata. The 4 teams featuring in the group at Kokrajhar would have the local favourites Borderland Football Club, Punjab FC and ISL team to reckon with, the pride of Punjab, Karbi Anglong Morning Star, the local team again who's making the Durand Cup debut in this edition, and ITBP football team of one of the members of the uniformed services. All matches will take place at the Sports Authority of India Stadium between 27th July and 12th of August. And we are confident that fans will again fill the stands and lend their voices to support the festival of football. We at the DCOC, or the Durand Cup Organizing Committee, have left no stone unturned to ensure that the field of play, the stadium, the facilities, and officials who shall umpire and referee the matches are top quality in the country. And we hope that all games will be event-free and injury-free. The enthusiasm and support of the people of Assam, and particularly the people of BTR, are the heartbeat of the event. We urge you all to come out in large numbers and witness top quality football matches. I am also happy and delighted to share that this year the prize money has been ramped up nearly 3 times to rupees 3 crore. And not only that, each of the 3 individual award winners shall drive away with a SUV. Lastly, I would like to once again thank the Chief Minister of Assam, Shri Himanta Biswa Sharma, Shri Pramod Boro in absentia, Srimati Nandita Gorlosa, Lieutenant General Gambhir, General Officer Commanding Gajraj Kaur, and all the sponsors who have made this event possible. Let us all unite in the spirit of the sport, celebrate our shared heritage, and continue to nurture the dreams of young footballers. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for such an eloquent speech.
May I now invite Major General Hartej Singh Bajaj, Vishesh Seva Medal, Chief of Staff Gajraj Kaur, to deliver the keynote address and share his thoughts on this landmark occasion. Thank you.
Honorable dignitaries, esteemed guests, revered sponsors, representatives of Government of Assam, the Borderland Territorial Council, Indian Army, distinguished players, passionate football enthusiasts, and the dear people of Kokrajhar. Jai Hind and good morning. It's an immense privilege for me to stand before you today as a host as well as a guest of honor for the trophy display ceremony of the Kokrajhar chapter of the 134th edition of the Durand Cup. The trophy tour in the Borderland Territorial Region commenced with effect from 13th of July, wherein friendly matches and promotional tours were conducted in the districts of Tamulpur, Udalguri, Buxa, and Chirang. And after which, the 3 legacy trophies are here with us today at Kokrajhar in this very auditorium. This iconic trophy display event is a curtain raiser for giving wide publicity to the main tournament at Kokrajhar, which is scheduled to commence from 27th of July and up to 12th of August 2025. The Durand Cup is not just a tournament. It is a celebration of unity, passion, and the indomitable spirit of sportsmanship. This year, as we gather together in Kokrajhar in the 3rd consecutive time, we are reminded of the profound significance of hosting this historic event in a region where football is actually not merely a game of life, a religion that binds communities together. The theme of this year's tournament has been aptly put as Kokrajhar, the city of peace, which resonates deeply with the ethos of this beautiful land. Kokrajhar, nestled in the heartland of BTR, stands as a beacon of harmony, resilience, and progress. By hosting the Durand Cup, we yet again reaffirm our commitment to showcasing Borderland Territorial Region as a vibrant hub on India's sporting map, where dreams are nurtured and champions are born. The recent mention of the indomitable spirit of football in this region and the renowned players of the region by the Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, during Mann Ki Baat on 29 June is a testimony of the same. On behalf of Gajraj Corps of the Indian Army, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Borderland Territorial Council and the Government of Assam for the unwavering support towards organizing this tournament at Kokrajhar. The Sports Authority of India Stadium at Kokrajhar is set to come live with the fervor of football as the Pool D teams comprising of the Borderland Football Club, the Karbi Anglong Morning Star Football Club, the Indo-Tibetan Border Police Football Team and the Punjab Football Club will compete in 6 thrilling league matches starting from 27th of July. Today's trophy display ceremony is more than a prelude. It's a call to action, a moment to ignite excitement, rally support, and inspire every citizen to be part of this grand sporting spectacle. To the players, I say this: you are the torchbearers of this legacy. Your dedication, skill, and sportsmanship will light up this tournament and inspire countless young hearts in Kokrajhar and the region beyond. To the youth of this region, I urge you to seize this moment. Let the Durand Cup be a spark that fuels your dreams, not just in football, but in every endeavor that you pursue. The Gajraj Corps of Indian Army stands committed to nurturing your talent and supporting your aspirations as we together build a stronger and a more inclusive nation. As we embark on this journey, let us pledge ourselves to make the 134th edition of the Durand Cup a celebration of peace, unity, and the undying love for football. Let Kokrajhar's name echo across India as a proud host to this historic tournament, and let us together create memories that will be etched in the annals of Indian football forever. Thank you, Kokrajhar, for your warmth and enthusiasm. Let the games begin, and may the spirit of football unite us all. Best of luck for all the teams. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for those inspiring and thought-provoking words.
May I now request UG Brahma, Cabinet Minister, Government of Assam, to kindly address this august gathering on this momentous occasion. Thank you.
My cabinet colleague, the chief guest of today's event, Srimati Nandita Garlosa, and Major General Hartesh Singh Bajaj, GOC, General Rajesh Arun Meghe, General Rohin Bawa, Sri Kumar Jamil Hilali, IAS officer, Secretary Government of Assam, Sri Khatiram Boro, Speaker BTC, Rangara Narjari, Honorable MP, Rajya Sabha, Jayanta Basumatari, Honorable MP, Lok Sabha, and other dignitaries present on the dais. On behalf of the Chief Executive Member of BTC, Sri Pramod Boro, who is now not present with us because of some health problem. So I would like to convey my congratulations to all of you and best wishes. And on behalf of the BTC people, I extend my hearty thanks to the Indian Army for organizing such beautiful event of the Durand Cup. अभी एक स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट की बात होता है और स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट बीटीसी में दिखाई दे रहा है कि एक डुरांड कप के जरिए हर युवाओं की दिमाग में एक सपना उत्पन्न हो गया और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा युवा लोग फुटबॉल से जुड़ गया। इसीलिए मैं कह रहा हूं कि डुरांड कप की एक थर्ड जो एडिशन है बीटीसी में, इसके जरिए लोगों की सोच विचार में काफ़ी बदलाव आ गया, फुटबॉल को लेके काफ़ी उम्मीद हो गया। तो यह लाखों युवाओं ने फुटबॉल के साथ जुड़ गया। आप लोगों को बता के मैं बताना चाहता हूं आप लोगों की इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए कि बीटीसी सीएम फुटबॉल कप जो सिर्फ एग्जीक्यूटिव मेंबर के नाम पे ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है, इसमें बीसीडीसी लेवल से हमारे जितना भी यूथ्स है उन लोगों को फुटबॉल खेलने का मौका दिया गया और लगभग 70,000 यूथ्स गॉट इन्वॉल्व विद दैट फुटबॉल इवेंट। अभी इसका और टूर्नामेंट का आज के शाम में एक फाइनल इवेंट होने जा रहा है जहां मुख्यमंत्री भी आ रहा है। तो इसको लेके मैं बहुत खुश हूं और बीटीसी के लोग इंडियन आर्मी की तरफ या इंडियन आर्मी को इस तरह का एक बड़ा सा इवेंट इधर लाने के लिए बहुत धन्यवाद करता है। या हम लोग grateful to the Indian Army and to the Chief Minister of Assam and Madam Garlosa also for taking such a very historic decision to organize that event at BTC headquarters कोकराझार। कोकराझार सिटी ऑफ पीस बोला जा गया है, ये एक स्लोगान ही नहीं है, एक जर्नी है। सिटी ऑफ पीस बोल के हम बीटीआर वासी लोगों को एक जर्नी का रोड मैप दिया गया है, क्योंकि एक एरिया को कंप्लीट पीस रियलाइज करने में मिलने में बहुत साल लग जाता है। और इसको हमारे जो दृष्टिकोण से हम जैसे सोच रहे कि कोकराझार क्यों सिटी ऑफ पीस है और क्यों होना चाहिए, तो इसको कामयाबी दिलाने के लिए बहुत सारी लंबी यात्रा की लॉन्ग माने जर्नी हम लोगों को तय करना है। तो एक जर्नी दिया गया और हमारे जो लोग हैं, हमारे युवा हैं, इस जर्नी से जुड़ गया। सबसे अच्छी बात यह उग्रवाद की तरफ हम लोग सोचते नहीं, अभी बंदूक लेके जंगल में जाने की बात नहीं सोचते हैं। और आजकल के जो जनरेशन है बीते हुए काल की बात को याद करके रहना नहीं चाहते, आने वाले समय के लिए अपने आप को तैयार करना चाहता है। यहाँ हर युवाओं के मन में एक स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट आ गया। वी मे विन, वी मे लॉस, बट वी विल नेवर बी डिफीटेड। हम लोग क्या है कि हारता तो इवेंट हारता है, जीतता तो इवेंट जीतता है, लेकिन आदमी इंसान कभी भी हारता नहीं। एक दृष्टिकोण लेके युवा आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं। तो डुरांड कप जैसा इवेंट हमारे लिए एक बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी है जानने के लिए, सारा भारत को, सारा देश को, इंटरनेशनल टीम को। यहाँ से लोग बाहर जाने लगा। अभी दुर्गा बोरो जैसा एक लेजेंडरी फुटबॉलर के नाम हमने लिया, हलीचरण नार्जारी का नाम लिया, और अपर्णा नार्जारी जैसे एक लड़की है जो नेशनल फुटबॉल में खेल रही है। ऐसे लोग यहाँ से निकलते आए हैं। या हम देखते हैं कि एक उज्जवल भविष्य की, एक सफल भविष्य की हम सपना रखते हैं हमारे दिमाग में, ये सफल हो जाए। यहाँ शांति लाने में भारत के आर्मी की बहुत बड़ा योगदान है। जब इंसर्जेंसी हुआ था या एक एक्सट्रीमिज्म था, आर्मी यहाँ एक्सट्रीमिज्म को दमन करने के लिए नहीं आया। वो लोग दमन या सिचुएशन को ठीक से रखने के साथ साथ गवर्नमेंट को भी बताया कि एक पीस प्रोसेस का जरूर है, यह नेगोशिएशन की जरूर है, पॉलिटिकल नेगोशिएशन, तब ही यह लास्टिंग पीस आ सकता है। आर्मी की तरफ से इस तरह की इनिशिएटिव भी इंटरनली या एक्सटर्नली हम देखा है, इसीलिए यह पीस आया। भारत सरकार भी एक कन्विंस में आ गया कि यह पॉलिटिकल नेगोशिएशन का सिलसिला अगर शुरू किया जाता है तो शांति संभव है। ऐसे शांति आ गया तो आप सबको मेरी तरफ से नमस्कार और शुभकामनाएं हैं। और आने वाले जो ड्रोन कप है हम लोग सब शामिल होंगे। ये सफल एक इवेंट भी होगा और बीटीसी में फुटबॉल के जरिए युवाओं के बीच में एक बड़ा सा बदलाव लाने की जो कोशिश है प्रमोद ब्यूरो जी की, ये भी सफल होगा आप लोगों के मदद के जरिए। तो थैंक यू वेरी मच, धन्यवाद।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपके बहुमूल्य और प्रेरणादायक शब्दों के लिए सर। अब आगे बढ़ते हुए, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, इट इज विद ग्रेट प्राइड दैट वी इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू द सन ऑफ दिस सॉइल, मिस्टर दुर्गा बोरो, an inspiring footballer and the pride of Kokrajhar and Assam. Mr. Durga Boro began his journey at Sai Guwahati and rose to prominence through sheer dedication and talent. Over the years, he represented renowned teams like Oil India Football Club, Churchill Brother Football Club Goa, Mumbai Tiger Football Club, Shillong Lajong Football Club, Northeast United Football Club, Narwa Football Club Manipur and Ozone Football Club Bangalore. As a striker, his speed, control and finishing made him a fan favorite. His presence in the Indian Super League with Northeast United Football Club was a proud moment for all of Assam. So let us warmly welcome Mr. Durga Boro, a true role model for the young athletes.
Good morning all. Srimati Nandita Garlosa ma'am and Urkaugara Brahmo and Rangara Narzari, Jayanto Busumotari and Major General Hartesh Singh Bajaj and Major General Rajesh Arun Moge and Major General Rohin Wawa and Katiram Boro and यहाँ पे उपस्थित गेस्ट और रायजो राजा नोंथांमोन बयखौबो आंनिफ्राय खुलुमबाय एंड थैंक यू। अभी कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ, कैसा बोलूँ, मुझे आदत नहीं है इतना, फिर भी मेरा फुटबॉल का जर्नी में थोड़ा बताने के लिए मैं कोशिश करूँगा। अगर कुछ गलती होगा तो माफ करना प्लीज। मेरा बर्थ प्लेस ये है कोकराझार। मैं छोटा सा गांव से बोरो गेंद्राविल से मैं स्टार्ट किया हूँ और एक समय था वो टाइम में हम लोग बहुत स्ट्रगल करके आया हूँ। जैसे बोलो एफसीपीटीसी आंदोलन हुआ था वो टाइम में और उसके बाद एक साल का बाद मेरा पिताजी का थोड़ा एक्सीडेंट हुआ। उस टाइम में जस्ट सम स्ट्रेंजर आके उसको फिर खेती का टाइम में थोड़ा वो गान शूट करके चला गया। वो सब सरो, ये सब हम लोग का आंदोलन जो भी हो, फिर भी हम लोग ये सिचुएशन में अभी इतना अच्छा सिचुएशन में हम लोग आ गया। ये बोलना नहीं चाहता था मैं, फिर भी मेरा मन से आया है, इसलिए मैं मेरा स्ट्रगल का सामने मैं फेस करना पड़ा। फिर भी ट्राई करूँगा। अभी फुटबॉल करियर के बारे में जब छोटा था मैं, उस टाइम में कुछ भी नहीं था। उस टाइम में जस्ट मेरा पिताजी भी इतना फाइनेंशियल भी इतना प्रॉब्लम था। फिर भी मैं कोशिश किया हूँ जितना भी हार्ड वर्क करके अभी आप लोग का सामने ये मेरा खेल दिखाने के लिए वो किया था। लेकिन क्या करूँ, मैं स्टार्ट किया हूँ 1999 से स्टार्ट किया हूँ अंडर 14 से। जो उस टाइम में प्रदीप साटा हम गांव से आके इंटर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ट्रायल किया था। उस टाइम में मैं इतना भी कोचिंग वो नहीं था, फिर भी मैं छोटा सा गांव से आके मैं वो आया ट्रायल करने के लिए। उस टाइम से मेरा फुटबॉल करियर स्टार्ट हुआ। उसके बाद मैं साई में ज्वाइन किया, नेशनल कैंप में भी ज्वाइन किया। उसके बाद फिर ऑयल इंडिया 2002 में मैं साई में ज्वाइन किया। उसके बाद ऑयल इंडिया में 2004 में मैं ज्वाइन किया। उसके बाद फिर रिजाइन करके प्रोफेशनल लाइन में चला गया 2009 में सर्सल ब्रदर्स, उसके बाद मुंबई टाइगर, ऐसा करके मैं वापस आया। ये कहना चाहता हूँ ये जनरेशन का लड़का लोग को ये बोलना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि हम लोग का करियर में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट काम है हार्ड वर्क करना और मेहनत करना है और डिसिप्लिन अपना रखने का है और डिसिप्लिन के साथ एक अच्छा इंसान भी होने का है। और ये डूरान कप हम लोग के लिए इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है क्योंकि अभी हम लोग सोच नहीं सकते है, क्योंकि एक समय में था हम लोग दिल्ली में जाके खेलना पड़ता था। आज आप लोग का सामने आ गया है इधर पे। कितना अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी है आप लोग के लिए, ये यूथ जनरेशन के लिए। और ये अभी सुविधा मिला है आप लोग को ये अपना टैलेंट दिखा के और उसका ऊपर में जाने के लिए और आईएसएल जैसा टीम में जाने के लिए। अगर फाइनल राउंड में जाएगा तो आप लोग के लिए बहुत अच्छा होगा। मैं कोशिश करता हूँ बोडोलैंड टीम को फाइनल राउंड में जाइए। इसलिए और क्या बोलूं, इतना भी बोलना भी नहीं आता हूँ। इतना थैंक यू।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मिस्टर दुर्गा बोरो for your kind and encouraging words. बिथाङा बेबायदिनो जिउआव आवगायलांनो हाथों जोङो इसोरनाव आरज गाबबाय। गोजोन्थों। Ladies and gentlemen, with great respect, I now request Srimati Nandita Garlosa, Honorable Cabinet Minister, Government of Assam, to kindly grace our enthusiastic audience with her words on the proud occasion of the 134th edition of Indian Oil Durand Cup Trophy display. Thank you.
Good morning to you all. My colleague in the cabinet, Sri UG Brahma, Major General Hartich Singh Bajaj, Chief of Staff 4 Corps, Major General Rajesh Arun Moghe, General Officer Commanding Bengal Sub-Area, Honorable MPs of both Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, Major General Rohin Bawa, General Commanding 21 Mountain Division, BTC Legislative Speaker Sri Katiram Boro, Durga Boro, the footballer, and Brigadier Akshay Kapoor, our MLA Lawrence Islari, and all the esteemed people over here. It's a privilege for me to be back-to-back with you all for the Durand Cup as long as the sports minister being inducted under the government of Assam. I think one of the major decisions that the government of Assam had taken in the early part of this Durand Cup was that bringing the Durand Cup to Kokrajhar, starting with the semi-final and then back-to-back with the hosting an event here itself in Kokrajhar. The reason behind is that once Kokrajhar was not how it is now, and this has been reflected very particularly by Durga Boro, who was a footballer, and the place where we came from was also a trouble-torn district, and a peace that had come to now in the northeastern state is only because of the government. And during this government that the peace has been here, we found that the sports has taken it a different turn. With Durand Cup coming to Assam and with Durand Cup coming to Kokrajhar back to back, I think there will be many number of players from this Boro land who will be moving into it and then see how the game can happen, and it will be continuing for the rest of the years. As far as the numbers of participants that we try to see in Kokrajhar, I think it has given a tremendous ways of participation. The moment the Durand Cup has come up to Kokrajhar, we find the teams had increased. And I would also appreciate, I think if I'm not mistaken, Karbi Anglong, one Morning FC, has also taken a leap now to be a participant of this tournament. So also, we will see in future that there will be many teams which will be coming from the state of Assam only. My dear young students over here, either in the upstairs or either in the middle of the gallery, sports has become now in such a way that it is everywhere you go, you will find something or the other. It doesn't mean that only you have to be in one part of the sport or in one discipline, but there are options being given, and the options are being created in such a way, either by the state government or by the central government, that wherever you find an opportunity, you are being taken forward. Earlier, when we were very young, we always used to think that if any one of us plays sports, and it still keeps up in the mind of the parents, then what about the injury? But to say that also, now the technology has become so advanced that even if you have an injury, that can be taken care of, and even with the help of not only the technology, the state government is also taking care of the injury. And today, you will see that in Kokrajhar, it's not about only the unveiling of the Durand Cup. The whole day is for Kokrajhar about the sports. If I'm not mistaken, by 4 to 4:30, there will be an opening of the rehabilitation center by Abhinav Bindras, which is there in Guwahati as well as in Jorhat. This will be the third place for them for a rehabilitation center for any of the sports personalities. And I think this is being one of the excellent one which we are having it in the state of Assam, either in the state, either in the district of Jorhat, or either in the state, or either in the Guwahati, or now that you will be finding the facility in Kokrajhar. Evening comes, you will be having again the CM's trophy, which is going to be a final. So the whole scenario today for Kokrajhar is only about sports, and it's only about the activities and the ifs and do's of what you will be taking out from here. Having said that, what we as a sports in the field of the government from Assam, we had started Khel Maharan, which everybody is much more aware of it now. We started 2 years back to back we had the Khel Maharan. And to our surprise, what I wanted to say it very clearly was that when we had gone for a registration of the Khel Maharan, the second edition, it was a surprise to us. There were 71 lakhs of registration only for Khel Maharan, and that also was only for 7 disciplines. Think of it, if we would have got for more number of disciplines from the government of Assam, there would have been a cross of more than 1 crore. That is what we are trying to find the state of Assam, that this many number of players, they are hidden inside the own campuses. What the Honorable Chief Minister is trying to do is that he is trying to give an opportunity to the grassroots level, so that from the grassroots level, there can be some heroes which will be an icon for the state of Assam, an icon for the state for the country. In terms of Khel Maharan that we had just started in 2 back-to-back, trainings are going on now in Guwahati. And for this trainings that we had started for 71 lakhs registration, there were 45 lakhs who had participated. And the finalists which we have taken out from there were somewhere around 6,000. And today at Guwahati, there are somewhere around 400 numbers of children from every parts of Assam getting an training, getting an coach from the national level, either in football, either in volleyball, or in the disciplines that we have taken up. So this in an arena where we are trying to bring sports in every field, Durand Cup coming up to Kokrajhar, as I said, like this was one of the biggest decisions that we have from the government of Assam has taken. We could understand the sense of feeling and the love to see the game of football match in the areas that we were trying to bring it. We hope that some or the other day in some of the areas, basically we say BTR as one of the 6 schedule areas. We say another 6 schedule area is Karbi Anglong. The other 6 schedule area is Dima Hasao. So these are the 3 6 schedule areas where I'm not taking the other way, but then we find most of the youngsters coming up or the craze of football over here. From our place, there are players which, if I mention few of the names, maybe Durga Boro will be able to recollect them. One is Bauringdao Bodo, the other is Rakesh Pradhan, next is Roshan Lama, which had already played in the national level, under 14, under 17. So these are some of the players where you find it, they have come up on their own. If we try to give more opportunity to them, definitely there will be more of it. Like when we have listened to Durga Boro, he said it and that's very true, that in those days, that's in 1999, where the district was not at peace at all, those days they had started to come up to to play a match in football, and then he has taken a name, a place for his own in the map of football, and his legacy, I think it will continue. Recently, when we had seen him being retired from the match, we found it to be quite shocking, but there is also a positive aspect of it. We think that it's not only on the field business in the football, there can be off the field business for the football also. But Durand Cup, having said that, this has brought it a new dimension in the 6 schedule area. We are looking forward in the future to move forward, having that all the arrangements for the matches that needs to be there will be able to cater it. Definitely in some of the areas in the state of Assam, we will try to move Durand Cup so that every corner of the state of Assam understands the responsibility of Durand Cup through the armed forces and the civilians like we, where we can gather it and then have a correlation. It's not about only the match, it's about the human interrelationship that happens between the armed forces and the civilians. So keeping that in mind, I wish that today's day be a remarkable day for the people of Kokrajhar in the event of sports. And as I said earlier, the parents are always usually thinking of the children, what will happen in terms of your having an injury, saying that there are many parents who doesn't want their children to move forward. And for me, I think that if you are a sportsman, the more age you have it, the more difficult it is for any of the sports person. It's always better to have it in the very younger days. That is why we need to tap it in the very young age. If I say that 40 to 45 plus is not an age for any of the sports person, we retire very early. We retire by the age of 38, 39, 40 is an age of a retirement of a sports person. That's what I believe. But for any of the professionals, 35, 36, 37 and 40 is just a beginning. It's just in the middle of the pace of your professionalism. So that's where the differences is. And to keep up the differences and to make a pace of the differences, Kokrajhar, or in terms of Boroland, had not only brought Durga Boro on not only in football, but in other sports also, say it in boxing, say it in archery. They have their own name. I think they are talented inborn players, and these talented inborn players may be in any of the area. It's only thing that we have to bring them up further, and keeping that under the Honorable Chief Minister, we try to do whatever we can for the Department of Sports, and with your collaboration with the Indian Army, we try to move forward along with Durand Cup. Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable speech and motivating our youth present here. We now open the floor for the media interaction of this momentous occasion. Members of the press are kindly requested to proceed with their questions in an orderly fashion. The panel will be pleased to respond and share insights related to the tournament, its journey and impact.
মিডিয়াৰ পৰা অহা বন্ধুসকলক বান্ধৱীসকলকে মই অনুৰোধ জনাইছো তেওঁলোকে কোৱেশ্চনছ ৰেইজ কৰিব পাৰিব আৰু কোডলেছ মাইক আপোনালোকক দিয়া হ'ব ধন্যবাদ
मैं ऑल इंडिया रेडियो से सिलीगुड़ी प्रसार भारती से सोमा मुखर्जी बात कर रही हूँ सर सर आपसे वाइस प्रेसिडेंट डुरांड कप का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कमेटी का आपसे बात करना चाहती हूँ सर मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि इस बार हम ट्वीट में देखे हैं आप लोग नेशनल जो हम लोगों का नॉर्थ ईस्ट का लैंग्वेज लोकल लैंग्वेज है उसको आप ट्वीट में किए हैं बंगाली असमीज मणिपुर का तो रिले वगैरह का कोई ये लोकल लैंग्वेज में होगा और नया क्या है थोड़ा सा बताइए इस बार नया क्या मिलेगा और लोकल लैंग्वेज का आप इतने इम्पोर्टेंस दे रहे हैं तो ये भी अच्छा बात है इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा बताइए
थैंक यू आपने बहुत रेलेवेंट सवाल पूछा है मैं सबको बताना चाहता हूं कि जितने 43 मैचेस पूरे डुरांड कप में होने वाले हैं उन सबका लाइव टेलीकास्ट सोनी नेटवर्क के ऊपर हो रहा है अमिताभ बच्चन ने आपने सुन ही लिया है और जो ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म है इंटरनेट के ऊपर वो सोनी लिव के ऊपर होगा इसके अंदर लैंग्वेज चूज करने की आपके पास में ऑप्शन होता है ऑडियो का कौन सा आपने लैंग्वेज चूज करना है और इसमें अगर कोई ऐसा डायलेक्ट है या ऐसे लैंग्वेजेस हैं जो नहीं मिलते हैं तो उसके लिए हमारे पास में जो कमेंटेटर्स हैं आप ही लोगों से जहां से आते हैं इसी रीजन से आएंगे अगर हम लैंग्वेज में करना असमीज लैंग्वेज में करना है या दूसरे लैंग्वेज में करना है तो वो आप ही के लोग आएंगे तो आप अगर चाहते हैं कि आपकी लैंग्वेज उसके अंदर इंक्लूड हो ऑडियो के ऑप्शंस के अंदर तो उसका हम बंदोबस्त करेंगे और हम सोनी के साथ में ये पॉइंट आगे लेकर के जाएंगे थैंक यू
प्रसार भारती चाह रहे हैं इसको लाइव कमेंट्री करें सिलीगुड़ी प्रसार भारती ऑल इंडिया रेडियो चाह रहे हैं कि इसको बंगाली में प्रसार करे तो थोड़ा सा परमिशन वगैरह मिल जाए तो अच्छा रहेगा सर
ओके आई विल मुझे इसके बारे में पता नहीं है इसकी क्या कॉपीराइट्स हैं सोनी के पास में फिलहाल इसकी राइट्स हैं अगर उन्होंने लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट दूसरी जगह कराना है उसके लिए क्या राइट्स का बंदोबस्त कराना है इसके बारे में मुझे उनसे बात करनी पड़ेगी लेकिन आपका जो पॉइंट है ये रेलेवेंट है और मैं सोचता हूं कि इसमें होना चाहिए और मैं इस बात को आगे बढ़ाऊंगा थैंक यू
गुड मॉर्निंग सर मैं किशोर सरकार असम ट्रिब्यून और पीटीआई कोकराझार करस्पॉन्डेंट हूँ मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि बिसाइड ऑर्गेनाइजिंग डुरांड कप इन कोकराझार व्हाट इनिशिएटिव डिड इंडियन आर्मी undertake to promote football in BTR region? Thank you.
As far as I could understand your question, you wanted to know that what army can do to promote the football in the BTR region. Is that correct? This is what you wanted. As such, this is the third consecutive year that we have been organizing this and this Durand Cup event. And I'm sure the results have been seen that, in fact, the Prime Minister also went on record during the Man Ki Baat, conveying that about 3,500 local teams are participating and 70,000 young boys and girls have participated in the CEM Cup. So I'll say getting the football here in the Kokrajhar region coming consecutively for the third year, and will keep coming every year, seeing the enthusiasm. I would say this is again a big step taken by the army. But bottom line is that we need the local support also. We are always there for you. If in case there is anything more that the local administration desires out of the army, we are always there to assist and promote the football in the region. And next year again we'll be back with the 135th edition. And till now the enthusiasm has been absolutely brilliant. So I'm sure with the kind of josh that the local boys and girls have, we'll be able to contribute in a very effective manner in conduct of football and promoting this wonderful game. Thank you.
We extend our heartfelt thanks to all the media partners for your valuable questions. We are now moving ahead with the further proceedings. Thank you.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, brace yourself for the most iconic moment we have eagerly been waiting. The grand display of the three legendary trophies of the 134th edition of the Indian Oil Durand Cup 2025 is finally here. A symbol of unmatched glory, honor and heritage. The moment has finally arrived.
And now, to do the honors, I request Srimati Nandita Garlosa, Honorable Minister, Government of Assam, to showcase the trophies by placing her hand on the ceremonial globe lamp placed on the table.
As we prepare for this iconic reveal, let's give them a huge round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, please take a look towards your right corner on the stage as the magnificent Durand Cup trophies still stand at all its glory.
Ladies and gentlemen, take your eyes to these symbols of footballing glory, each with its own proud legacy. To your left is the Durand Cup, a rolling trophy awarded to the winning team, held with pride for 1 year until the next edition.
At the center stands the President's Cup, a symbol of honor permanently awarded to the winning team.
And to your right is the Shimla Cup, a beautiful rolling trophy passed from one winner to the next, carrying with it decades of tradition. So ladies and gentlemen, please keep the applause going for these three prestigious trophies of the 134th edition of the Indian Oil Durand Cup 2025, where it is truly many champions, one legacy.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would now request our chief guest and other esteemed dignitaries for a group photograph with these iconic trophies. Oibazang gabbare khepse akai khopnane hagan. Thank you. May I now request all our esteemed dignitaries to have their seats amongst our enthusiastic audience as we are about to witness a glimpse of mesmerizing and colorful cultural richness of Bodoland.
And I would also request our friends from media to kindly take their respective seats. I'll request our media partners to kindly take their respective seats.
Amar media pra oha বন্ধু সকলক মই অনুৰোধ জনাব বিচাৰিছো নিজৰ নিজৰ আসন গ্ৰহণ কৰিবৰ বাবে আমি পৰৱৰ্তী কাৰ্যসূচী আৰম্ভ কৰিবলৈ হাতত লৈছো আমাৰ মিডিয়া পৰা অহা বন্ধু সকলক মই আকৌ এবাৰ অনুৰোধ জনাইছো আপোনালোকে যাতে নিজৰ নিজৰ আসন গ্ৰহণ কৰি লয় Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed a historic occasion and a proud moment for the people of Bodoland, as our beloved city of peace, Kokrajhar, will be hosting this prestigious and historic football tournament for the third consecutive year.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am thrilled to announce that a total of 6 matches will be played at the Sai Stadium, Kokrajhar, turning this peaceful town into a buzzing arena of football, energy and community spirit. Kokrajhar will proudly host the Pool D matches of the 134th edition of the Indian Oil Durand Cup 2025. And Padmini, what a lineup we have.
I know.
Our very own Bodoland Football Club carrying the pride of this land on their boots.
The ever-disciplined ITBP Football Club, the spirited Karbi Anglong Morning Star Football Club with a name as poetic as their play.
And last but not the least, the formidable Punjab Football Club, known to bring both flair and firepower. So let's give a resounding round of applause for this proud achievement.
Ladies and gentlemen, and finally, a heartfelt thank you to all our media partners for your presence and support here today. Your voice takes the spirit of the Durand Cup far and wide. সকলোকে ধন্যবাদ জনাইছো আপোনালোকে বহুমূলীয়া সময় আমাক আজি দিছে रोजा रोजा साबायखर जोंनि मिडियानिफ्राय फैनाय लोगो बिथांमोनखौ आरो गावनि बेसेन गोसा समखौ दिनै जोंनि थाखाय होनायनि थाखाय गोजोन्थों এতিয়া আমি যেহেতু পৰৱৰ্তী কাৰ্যসূচী কৰিবলৈ গৈ আছো আপোনালোকে এতিয়া মোবাইল ফোনস ইউজ কৰিব পাৰে আৰু আমাৰ যেহেতু পাৰফৰমেন্সেস হ'ব আপোনালোকে ভিডিওজও কৰিব পাৰে ধন্যবাদ Ladies and gentlemen, we now bring you a special performance that celebrates the vibrant traditions of our diverse communities through a beautifully crafted fusion dance. This performance brings together the distinct yet harmonious dance forms of Bagurumba, Bihu, Garo, Rabha, Nepali, Santali and Rajbangshi, woven together into a single rhythmic celebration of unity in diversity.
This entire dance has been choreographed by Mr. Balampha Nazari and Srimati Neela Nazari. Both are present with us today. I am also pleased to share that Mr. Nazari received the Assam Gaurav Award in 2025 for his contribution to the development of regional culture. And let me tell you, he is also a proud Guinness holder record. See, even my tongue is not believing. He is also a proud Guinness World Record holder for participating in a folk dance featuring 53 dance forms with 5,000 artists. So sit back, tap your feet and give a huge round of applause for our vibrant cultural troupe from Bodoland.
সকলোৱে হাত চাপৰি দি অভিনন্দন জনাম তেওঁলোকে ন্যাশনালি ইন্টাৰন্যাশনালি আমাক ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰি আছে আৰু তেওঁলোকক আমি আমাৰ ফালৰ পৰা অশেষ ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছো নিজৰ বহুমূলীয়া সময় আমাক দিয়াৰ বাবে ধন্যবাদ
Bagurumba, hai bagurumba, bagurumba, hai bagurumba. Saat nong abla, kul nong abla, kabaram hamnane bangnane. Lagungan ka, hai lugu lagungan ka. Saat nong abla, kul nong abla, kabaram hamnane bangnane. Lagungan ka, hai lugu lagungan ka. Bagurumba, hai bagurumba, bagurumba, hai bagurumba. Kuri bari nilai dausen, sang nilaga lai dausen. Kasah sar sar masade, bagurum bagurum masade, hai masade, hai masade. Kuri bari nilai dausen, sang nilaga lai dausen. Kasah sar sar masade, bagurum bagurum masade, hai masade, hai masade. Bagurumba, hai bagurumba, bagurumba, hai bagurumba. Dai jiri jiri sabo kinkiri, sonani jinjiri, hai jinjiri, hai jinjiri. Dai jiri jiri sabo kinkiri, sonani jinjiri, hai jinjiri, hai jinjiri. Bagurumba, hai bagurumba, 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 bagurum bagurum 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 bagurumba. পাঠানের কানি চার বেলা, আরে শাম কালা ওরে শাম কালা, সারিয়া দে মোর পাঠানের কানি চার বেলা, সারিয়া দে মোর পাঠানের কানি, বেলা ডুবিলে মারিবে স্বামী রে, সারিয়া দে মোর পাঠানের কানি, বেলা ডুবিলে মারিবে স্বামী রে, আরে শাম কালা ওরে শাম কালা, সারিয়া দে মোর পাঠানের কানি চার বেলা, আরে শাম কালা ওরে শাম কালা, সারিয়া দে মোর পাঠানের কানি চার বেলা, আরে শাম কালা ওরে শাম কালা, সারিয়া দে মোর পাঠানের কানি চার বেলা।
रेशम फिरी री रेशम फिरी री उडेर जाउँ कि डाँडामा भन्छेङ रेशम फिरी री उडेर जाउँ कि डाँडामा भन्छेङ रेशम फिरी री जाउँ कि